welcome to Venetian Music Studio. Today, I'm going to show you how to add your sub-channels on your YouTube channel page like mine on the left corner. It's important to make your sub-channels visible because your subscribers for main channel can subscribe the rest of all your sub-channels. Now tap on Channels. All your sub-channels should be listed here so your subscribers can easily access to them. Now let's get started. First, you have to go to the web version of youtube.com. So go to a web browser like a Safari, then type in youtube.com, then tap on your channel page, then tap on Customize Channel. For iPhone users, go to a web browser like a Safari and type in studio.youtube.com and tap on Continue to Studio and make sure not to open the app. Then tap on Customization. Then tap on Add Section. The rest is the same as iPad users. Now you are on Customization page and you see Featured Sections. Tap on Add Section. Now you see Scroll Down page and tap on Featured Channels. Type your section title in the box and make it sound attractive and inviting. For example, check out my other channels or subscribe them all or something like that. For my case, I typed check out VMS sibling channels. Type the name of sub-channel you want to add. Then the icon for the channel will show up. So you click on the box. If you look at the right bottom corner, it says done and you tap on it. On the next page, you tap on Publish. You successfully added your featured channels. Let's tap on Channels and see if my featured channel is on that page. Yes, it is. Now, if you happen to have multiple channels, you have to double the process. For example, if you just added the sub-channel to your main channel, that's great. Then if you want to add your main channel onto your sub-channel page, you're gonna do the same process again, but your channel page is gonna look great. So repeat the process as often as necessary to make your channels more inviting. Thank you for watching.
Hit the like button and subscribe.